I have this router R1. Let me log in. So I was trying to log in on this one, and then okay, just close it. I'm opening it 192.168.50.10. This is my router R1. When I'm trying to log in, I am getting this error: SSH protocol version 2 required by our configuration, but remote only provides old insecure SSH-1. That means, I mean, anyway, it's just clear, which says that the putty version which I am using, it is expecting version 2 SSH. However, the remote server, the R1, is supporting only SSH version 1, which is old and insecure. So how can we resolve it? We can resolve it by changing the SSH version on R1 with the 2, and our issue will be resolved. So we have to make some changes. So we can do only by taking the console access. So if you're working on a physical devices, as of now I am using GNS3. However, if you are working on those real devices, so for that you need console access. So I'm taking the console access like here. I'm double clicking on it, and a solar putty will be opened, and it's like connecting through console cable. So it has opened, and I'm in config mode. So let's see first the configuration. If we can see the version which is running, so running include SSH. So as we can see, it says SSH version 1 is running. So let's change it. Let me first change the font size little bit. Change setting. I pressed control and right click, change setting. Okay, I'm not getting here. Change setting. Okay, it was there in the background. Appearance change. Let me change it to 14. Okay, done. Now I will change it. So SSH version 2. Anyway, it will not work, but let's change it and we'll get some idea. So when I'm trying to change the version to 2, it says please create RSA key to enable SSH, and the key should be of at least 768 bits. So if we are using any SSH key beyond 768 bit, that will be used for SSH version 2. So I will be creating crypto key generate RSA, and then it is asking to replace. I would say yes, and then it is asking for the number of bits. So 768 bits required minimum for SSH version 2. I am just using 1024, and then it is generating. So the key has been generated, and now we got another notification which says SSH is enabled and SSH 1.99. That means version 2 has been enabled. Let me see if we can see version 2 include SSH. Okay, so we cannot see, but version 2 has been enabled. So earlier we were able to see version 1. However, as of now we cannot see. If you want, you can mention SSH version 2. Earlier you can mention, sorry, you can see it was saying please create and the SSH key of 768 bit at least, and now I'm clicking once again. So it has accepted the command, and now let's see. So the version 2 is running. Anyway, even though if you have not entered this command, so it would be automatically be using SSH version 2 only. Now let me try to log in once again. One 192.168.50.10, and now I would say okay. So we got this login prompt. So the issue is resolved.